guys, today we are going to do density flask experiment. For that you are going to need a beaker, a flask, blue color, only blue color, you can't use any other color, oil, honey and one coin, two balls, it can be only small size and any color, and one gem. So the first step is you have to pour 25 ml of honey in the flask. Pour it. Come on. Let's go. And blue color. The next step is grab blue color and put it in 15 ml of water. Just one drop. Put. Oh man, is it in? No. Oops. That's okay. And then just got to shake it a little bit to mix, turn the water blue. Okay. And then just pour it in the honey. Wow. Next is pour 10 ml of oil. Guys, it's a magic time. Now we are going to check what is going to sink and what is going to float. Starting with the marble. Oh, it went to the bottom. Next we are going to use the gems. Oh man. Sit. Oh yeah. Oh man, the experiment is working. Oh guys, you see the experiment? I'll show you. See, the marble is down. I'll just turn it around for you guys. See, marble is on the first floor and gem is on the second floor and balls is on the third floor. Wow! Guys, marble is at the bottom over here. Where are you, sneaky gems? Are you? But by the way, see the gem on the second floor, it's kind of over here. Yeah, it's away. And then in the middle there was the gem, and on the top we see the two yellow balls. Lightest, a little bit weight, and most weight. That is the experiment.